We must avoid a strike. Jobs will be lost, even union jobs will be lost. Water will not be safe. Product will not be going to market.
That was House Speaker Pelosi there on the urgency of the rail strike and why it's critical that legislators work to avert the crisis. The lawmakers went into action late yesterday, drafting a bipartisan bill to avert the potential December 9th rail worker strike. The House is expected to vote on that shortly. Yahoo Finance's Jennifer Schonberger is following this closely. Jen.
Good morning, Rochelle. That's right. The House imminently set to vote on two bills that would avert a strike by railroad workers across this country. Lawmakers are reluctantly intervening to stop a labor dispute that could disrupt the economy and send inflation, which is already high, spiking higher. This after President Biden asked Congress to step in. At issue, President Biden negotiated a deal with unions back in September that offers railroad workers a 24% increase in pay through 2024. It also allows for one additional paid day off on top of existing vacation and paid time off. But several unions voted that deal down, requesting 7 sick days instead of 1, leaving sides at an impasse and forcing Congress to step in. Under the Railway Labor Act, Congress can make both sides accept an agreement that their members have voted down. One bill would force the sides to accept Biden's negotiated agreement, while a second would amend the deal to increase the paid sick leave from 1 to 7 days. Now, railroads haul about 40% of the nation's freight each year. A strike could cost the economy more than $2 billion a day and disrupt deliveries of goods nationwide, according to the Association of American Railroad Trade Group. Now, new economic analysis from the American Chemistry Council estimates if the strike happened, the U.S. would lose 700,000 jobs, inflation would spike, and the economy could contract by 1%. Unions, for their part, have decried Congress intervening in this dispute, saying it undercuts efforts to address workers' quality of life concerns. Now, once the House is done voting on this, where bills are expected to pass, it will head over to the Senate, where Senator Bernie Sanders has vowed to slow things down unless these two bills get a roll call vote. However, leaders in the Senate have pledged to move expeditiously. Back to you.
Higher, any way to look at it.
All right, thank you. Jen Schonberger there reporting for us.